Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you as a second video. Actually, you can find my first video about the website of downdigitals.com, which one you can find, the all digital products, the updated. So in the first video, I just gave the general information to everybody about this website, and in this video, we will see we will just investigate into the categories of the website, what's the ideas of downloadable products you can buy or you can sell as well. So this is the first page. You can see as a category music, dance, entertainment. I'm going to give you the short videos for each categories. Actually, first let us start music, dance, and entertainment. So this category, so we have here some products. The first product is click to learn piano. If somebody wants to learn the piano, so you can click here and then enter the main page of the piano learning class. So then you can read it or watch the details. If you just suit for you, so you can buy the product, and then the lifetime entrance. So you will get it after you purchase. Then so you will find many source about the piano and the classes, courses, everything. So the second thing is the essential guide to singing. Actually, the singing is of course some people are interesting in it. So you can find how to sing and the singing techniques and the famous singers ways and all the details indicated in the class. Again, you can just research on the main page. After you click, then you can find many information and you can buy the product, and then the lifetimes the entrance you can get. The guitar control secrets, there's another one about the same thing, but about the guitar, of course. So you can just find all the kind of things in this product. Ukulele lessons, you can find it, and violin and fiddle lessons for important chord types. So this is the very technical issue about the music, and you can find the chord types here. Superior songwriting. So songwriting is, of course, these are the abilities, but the people can improve their abilities from the zero. So it's not of course not everybody can do that, but this is the way you need it actually for the writing of the song. The meditation music, Zen harmony. So this is the very most the one of the most popular one during the meditation people using. You can just check the main page if you're interested. The music is designed for dogs and help with anxiety problems. So this is about the pet issue, but usually the dogs you can use if you have a dog. So they have anxiety problems. Usually they don't listen you. So and then you can find out the music that makes the dogs actually focused to you actually. So this is another one is Ho'oponopono, Heart of an Angel. So this is again for the baby and the other slow music, so to make relax actually everybody, but especially the children and baby. So photography and special effects books. This is another thing, giving you technique for the photography and special effects about the pictures, how to do that. So with the AI technologies, you can see the details. If you enjoy, you just buy the product, and again, lifetime entrance you can get. And you can have the update information all the time, every day. So anyway, so this is the music and entertainment, the products you can find. I hope you enjoy this, and if you interest one of them, you can buy and tell us your the feedback about these things. Okay. Anyway, thank you very much. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and follow us all the time. The next video is coming for another categories.